guys, oh my gosh, it's been a really long time since I've done a vlog or an update. I don't know, life has been absolutely crazy, so I haven't really had like a minute to breathe. But I'm finally all settled in my new apartment, which I really like. It's really nice. So I'm actually back in Mexico right now, and I wanted to do an update about all the supplements that I'm taking, because a lot of you are still asking me. I still get messages like daily about, you know, my gut situation, my stomach situation. I'm still a little bit tired. I'm recovering from months and months of stress and really difficult time in my life, but I do feel more positive and I do feel a lot more energy, and I've started doing a lot of things that are helping me to get out of this, to increase my energy level. So first thing is that I have not been carnivore for good, I would say now, oh gosh, I don't want to say 6 months, because if it's been that long, that's crazy. Time is really flying. But I haven't really been carnivore for a while. Like, I've been on and off, like, but I've been eating things that I want, and also with my job, like, you know, I'm trying a lot of cake and stuff like that. I had to film. Anyway, I'm back on carnivore, and this time I'm taking it seriously. I'm gonna cut out gluten and sugar for a good couple of months now again. I wanted to show you supplements that I'm taking for my liver and gallbladder, as I've discovered that they also have a huge role in processing everything that I eat. So if you're suffering with constipation, or if you're suffering with any sort of gut issues, bloating, I would highly recommend you get these supplements. As you know, I'm doing a lot of research. I'm also taking several courses in nutrition and supplements, and so yeah, I'm really educating myself on these matters. But again, I'm not a doctor, so, you know, don't take this as an advice from a doctor. Of course, consult your doctor before taking any supplements. I'm just sharing what works for me, and what's great for me. So I'm gonna show you what I take and what for. So I'm starting full carnivore. I'm gonna eat 3 times a day, back on my usual routine. That was like the best carnivore routine for me, when I ate 3 times a day every 3 to 4 hours. That way I was never hungry, and I don't eat as much as I used to when I just started carnivore. And I think it's purely because my body has gotten so many of nutrients, and I have increased all my health, and it became so much better. So if you're on the beginning of your carnivore journey, you might be eating a lot more, which is normal. So don't be like freaking out. Like, that's okay. Like, you can have more food. Like, I was having a lot of food. But I will kind of tell you what I eat every day is pretty much the same. So I'm having like eggs for breakfast with bone broth, and then for lunch I'm usually gonna have either steak or another type of meat, and then for dinner again I'm gonna have meat, steak, or chicken, usually something on the lighter side. And I do like fish too, so I might have some fish. And I'm planning to do this regime for a couple of months now again. So basically no dairy, no gluten, no sugar, no anything, no meat, no fruit, no vegetables, just kind of to get myself back into it. I definitely feel a lot better, and now I feel like with all the supplementation, it's gonna make it so much better, even more. Yeah, what else to update you guys on? I am starting dancing classes. I am also gonna do a really a special dance. It's gonna be like really fun, naughty type of dance, which I'm learning by the end of December. So we're gonna film like a mini video on it. So that will be really fun. And I'm just doing a bunch of things that are exciting, adventures, meeting lots of new people. So it's really gonna be exciting. And yeah, I'm just also walking a lot. So I've set a goal to myself to walk every day at least 10,000 steps, and I kind of get it done every morning on the beach. And then I do my meditations, my yoga, my sun, and really getting myself all that energy back, and I already feel it. So I think in a couple of months time I'm gonna be myself, fully shining. And obviously sleep is really important, so I'm trying to get back into my regime, my routine, And yeah, I will keep you posted how it all goes, and I'll show you the supplements now. So milk thistle is really, really important for your liver. Okay, so I'm taking it before food, 2 capsules before food, okay, once a day. Black walnut hull is to really, you know, if you have any parasites, anything potentially in there, it's really good to take and do a course. And also psyllium husk is really, really good. It supports your digestive and colon health. I'm going to be taking that. Now, for those of you who are stressing out right now or worried or anything like this, this is the best natural remedy to take. So 5-HTP, it really supports positive mood. It really calms your brain down. So usually I take it in the morning. Don't take it at night, even though it says take it at night. It really gives you vivid dreams. So I usually take it in the morning. And GABA as well. It's just a really good neurotransmitter support, you know, that helps your brain to wire in the right way to calm you down naturally. This supplement is really good, Allergene. I use it every day in between meals. It's an essential amino acid, really good basically for, you know, everything. And then now for my stomach, right? So if you're on a carnivore diet, I highly recommend you definitely take 2 of these. So betaine, HCI, pepsin is acid, okay? So you might not have enough acid in your stomach, so it's really good to take these after your meal. So I take 2 of these and 2 of these, and Lipogold is a high digestion, so it digests all the fat, especially if you're going to go on a high fat protein diet. These 2 are really, really important. Now these 2 are old ones that I had from before, is the beef pancreas and the gallbladder, just to help initially at this initial stage to digest everything, but again, it's up to you. Now, for you asking me what other supplements I take, so essential ones that I take every day is omega-3 fish oil, and it's with wild caught fish, so make sure you don't get the filler ones. So this is really, really important. Everyone should be taking fish oil every day. It's just to decrease inflammation in your body. Now, vitamin D and K, if you can get 2 in 1, this is the best. Vitamin D does not digest well and doesn't absorb in your body without vitamin K. So you do want to take vitamin D and K together or buy them separately. And you know, make sure you know what's your vitamin D levels. Mine are really nice and up now, so I'm not worried. I'm taking biotin. It's for my hair, skin, and nails. This is a really good supplement, especially if you've been losing your hair or you feel like your hair is thinning. It's really, really essential. Also, I'm taking these hair vitamins. They're just called Hair Vit. And I'm doing a course of these together with biotin, and I've noticed a massive difference. My hair stopped falling out and it's actually growing back. I'm also taking zinc. Okay, zinc is really important. And I'm going to start taking this supplement called selenium formula. Selenium is really, really good for anyone. We usually are deficient in selenium. Just a couple of capsules a day. And I'm also taking vitamin C in this type of form, but you can take any vitamin C that you want. So this is all I'm taking right now. I mean, it looks like it's a lot, but they all have different functions, and I'm taking all the supplements at different times. So guys, I really hope that my supplements that I'm taking will help you just to kind of do more research for your supplements. And let me know if you're taking any of the supplements. Would be good to know. Again, this is not medical advice. I'm not a doctor. I'm just done my own research and I've done my tests and I know exactly what I need. Another thing that I forgot to mention, I do take magnesium at night. So it's really important to drink magnesium. Everyone should have magnesium. No exceptions, every day at night for everything in your body. Yeah, anyway, any questions? Let me know. And with regards to also some of you asking me if I'm still inflamed and bloated, and yes I am, especially if I'm eating naughty food. I do get inflammation, and right now I am a little bit inflamed. And another thing that I want to talk about is that my inflammation is not only just from the food, it's also psychomatics. So a lot of the times when I feel stressed, my symptoms actually get worse. So if you've been feeling stressed and anxious and all of these negative emotions, they do directly affect your gut, because you know we have our brain and gut connection, and them two are together linked. So try and be relaxed. If you have a family member or you're living with someone, ask them to give you hugs every day, cuddle you, that actually reduces your stress levels, and you know, physical touch as well. Like, you know, when somebody hugs you, we have neuron whatever things at the back, so it calms you down. So if you can, you know, do that, and just generally try and like meditate, relax, and sleep well, and relax your body, so you can reduce your cortisol in your level, because cortisol is not only bad for your gut, it's bad for everything in your body, and that's how most people get sick, and we don't want to be sick. So health is the most important thing. So hopefully guys, this was helpful, and I'll see you soon.